ओ कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं अशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशं मक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र गतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमद राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीद् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः मंगलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। Hanuman ji, well known for his timely advice, patience, acute sense of dharma, acute sense of righteousness, physical strength, as well as having everybody's welfare in mind. Sarvaloka hitaha. So he understood the situation without interfering. He was watching. Then he said, there is a reason why Lakshmana is here, and he appears to be angry according to Angada. And I also knew the reason. I understand your reasoning. Why you feel that you didn't do anything wrong. And there is particular no reason for Lakshmana to be angry against you. But one thing that you have forgotten is what you are originally committed for. And that is the reason why Lakshmana is here. And meeting him appropriately is what I would advise to you. Later on, you will find the similar advice he gives to Rama when Vibhishana is going to come. When Vibhishan, after renouncing Lanka, when he arrives to take Sharanagati to Rama, everybody would be against him, saying that he is coming as a spy, coming to find out what we have, what are our plans, and secretly report to Ravana. It was Hanuman who stood for him, saying that I know him. I know what he is, and please hear him first. And so we can see the pattern of his thinking, that he is always very sensitive and very subtle in his approach. So here in verse number 15, we start. Praptumudyogapalam udyotakalam tu
Praptumudyogaकालं tu
na vai Shri Hari Pungava
na vai Shri Pungava
tvam pramatta iti vyaktam
tvam pramatta iti vyaktam
Lakshmanoyam ihagatah
Lakshmanoyam ihagatah
artasya hridadarasya
artasya hritadarasya
parusham purushantaga parusham purushantarat parusham purushantarat
parusham purushantarat
vachanam marshaniyam te
vachanam marshaniyam te
raghavasya mahatmanah
raghavasya mahatmanah
कृतापराधस्य hite
krutaparadhasya hite
नान्यत् पश्याम्यहं क्षमम्
नान्यत् पश्याम्यहं क्षमम्
अन्तरेणाञ्जलिं बद्ध्वा
अन्तरेणाञ्जलिं बद्ध्वा
लक्ष्मणस्य प्रसादनात्
लक्ष्मणस्य प्रसादनात् नियुक्तैर्मन्त्रिभिर्वाच्यो
यवश्यं पार्थिवो हितम्
ह्यवश्यं पार्थिवो हितम्
अत एव भयं त्यक्त्वा
इतहेव भयं त्यक्त्वा
ब्रवीमि अवधृतं वचः
ब्रवीमि अवधृतं वचः
Here, praptum udyogapalam tu na avaishi Haripungava. Haripungava, oh, Pungava the best among the monkeys. Na avaishi. You don't know. Avaishi, ava, to know. Avedi, avaishi, you. It's a second person, singular. Na avaishi, na janasi. Udyogapalam praptum, udyogakalam praptum. So that correct time for this, what needs to be done, that is, earlier he said, this Sharat time has come, the rain has stopped, Varsha Ritu is over, Sharat Ritu has come, which means the rains have stopped, which only indicates that you have to fulfill your commitment of the friendship agreement that we made. Tvam pramatta. You have forgotten. Iti vyaktam. Iti very clear. Lakshmanaha ayam iha agataha vyaktam tvam pramatta. Why he's from forest all the way Lakshmana has come here means he has not come to look at your city. He has not come to say hi to you. Or he is getting bored, therefore he came. No, Lakshmana is not. He will not move away from Rama even for a moment, not a second. If Lakshmana has come here, definitely it is Rama's command. And Rama, why should he send him? And Rama is also one who is such a content person. He doesn't need any really help from anyone. But if at all Rama has sent him here, it is to remind you something. Artasya hridadarasya parusham purushantakat vachanam marshaniyam. Purushantarat hridadarasya parusham purushantarat. By somebody else, his wife has been taken away. And purushantarat vachanam. He is sending the message through somebody else, Lakshmana. And the one who has lost his wife and is really in great pain, artasya hridadarasya purushantarat vachanam parusham vachanam. He said that Lakshmana has spoken harshly. Actually, he has not spoken very harshly to Angada. But you think so. And he is appearing very angry, no doubt. Raghavasya mahatmanaha vachanam marshaniyam. You have to tolerate. Because obviously, a person in pain may say many things. You understand the pain and accordingly you act. And you should not react to it. See, this is his advice. Krita aparadasya hi nanyat pashyamyaham kshamam. Antarena anjalim krutva badva Lakshmanasya prasadanat. Lakshmanasya prasadanat. For the sake of now appeasing Lakshmana, go there and do your namaskar. And I do not see anything appropriate. Na anyat pashyami aham kshamam. Kshamam, correct. Appropriate. I do not see anything else. Because te krita aparadasya. You the one who made the mistake. For you the one who made the mistake, no other thing appropriate, I would say, other than going to Lakshmana and please him by, first of all, offering your namaskar, salutations. One thing is, a minister who is appointed by the king is appointed only to advise him correctly. If he doesn't do it, what is the purpose of such a counselor, a minister around him? Niyuktaihi mantribihi avashyam partito hitam vachyaha. Parthivaha hitam vachyam. Hitam vachyaha. Whatever is appropriate and necessary advice that needs to be given by the appointed counselors. Niyuktaihi mantribihi Parthivaha hitam avashyam vachya. Ata is written or ita? Ata eva bhayam tattva. Correct?
Ita, Swamiji.
Ita. Ita means from here. Okay. Asmat deshat. Okay. Bhayam tattva avadridam vachaha bravimi. I am going to speak to you well determining, avadritam, well determined, well thought of, ascertained. Vachaha bravimi. I am going to speak to you about that. I am not just saying to please you. That's what happens, when the people around you, when they say everything that pleases you, very dangerous. because they are not telling what is right. So I am going to tell you what is correct for you to do. Vayam tyaktva, I am not going to be afraid of you, because out of fear I cannot do mistake. Out of fear I cannot direct you, misguide you. I cannot guide you in the wrong way. So I will tell you. Abhikrutta samartho hi
Abhikruddhat samartho hi
chapamudyamya ragavah
chapamudyamya raghavah
tadeva suragandharvam
sadevasura gandharvam
vashe sthapayitum jagat.
vashe stap
Correct. Go ahead.
vashe stapayitum jagat
Jagat. Na sakshama kopayitum
na sakshamaskopayitum
yaprasadya punarbhavet
yah prasadat punarbhavet
purvopakaram smarata
purvopakaram smarata
कृतज्ञेन विशेषतः
कृतज्ञेन विशेषतः
अस्य मूर्ध्ना प्रणम्यत्वं
मूर्ध्ना प्रणम्यत्वं
सपुत्रः सहृदज्जनः
सपुत्रस्तु हृज्जनः
राजस्तिष्ठ स्वसमये
राजं तिष्ठ स्वसमये
भर्तुर्भार्येव तद्वशे
भर्तुर्भार्येव तद्वशे
न राम रामानुजशासनं त्वया
न राम रामानुजशासनं त्वया
कपीन्द्रयुक्तं मनसाप्यमोहितुम्
कपीन्द्रयुक्तं मनसाप्यपोहितुं
मनोहिते ज्ञास्यति मानुषं बलम्
मनोहिते ज्ञास्यति मानुषं बलम्
सरागवस्यास्य सुरेन्द्रवर्चसः
सराघवस्यास्य सुरेन्द्रवर्चसः
This Raghava, if he takes up his bow, Raghavaha chapam udyamya, abhikruttaha, angry, sa deva asura gandharvam sthapayitum vashet sthapayitum jagat samartha. He is capable of bringing down all people in this world under his control, along with devatas, asuras, gandharvas. He is capable of doing that. Why does he need you? See, it is interesting. It is said, when we go to a temple, a place of worship, and offer food, etc., or do puja, or do namaskar, or do chanting, or do bhajans, क्यों करते हो? भगवान को to make Bhagavan pleased, happy. अरे आपके लिए वो इंतजार कर रहा है क्या? It is, we say that, oh, Bhagavan won't have food unless I give. Bhagavan won't eat unless you give. Good attitude. It is Bhagavan allowing the people to feel like this. ऐसा समझना चाहिए. एक किसके कारण? Bhagavan, for what purpose? He is as though standing there smiling at you, please give me food. Do you think that he will starve otherwise? He doesn't have anything to eat. He will be unhappy if people don't give it to him. No doubt he will say so to, oh, I love what you give. I want what you give. It is only to make the bhakta feel that, Bhagavan is taking my food, taking my prasad. See, when you give, it is food. When Bhagavan becomes pleased, it becomes prasad. The very word prasada means please. What you give is not prasad. What he becomes is prasad. So he becomes happy that this Bhagavan, the Bhakta, is thinking that I am giving. Bhagavan wants it. इसको प्रसाद हो गया, प्रसन्नता. So here Bhagavan is capable of doing everything himself, but he wants Sugriva to feel obliged, and he wants to demonstrate to the world that if you have committed to something, you must stand by it. Don't say things, promise things, and then just walk away from your promise and do something else. So here very clearly, so Saha Prasadyah, that's why it's given. Saha Prasadyah. The next words. Yaha Prasadyah na kopayitum kshama. He who is fit to be praised, he is who is fit to be pleased by you as a devotee. Do not cause anything that make him angry. Say prasadyaha na sa kopayidum kshamaha munaha bhavet. By how will you make a person, I mean Bhagavan, who is to be pleased, to be praised, to make him angry? What? Purva upakaram smarata kritagnyena visheshataha. Visheshataha, especially kritagnyena. One who has accomplished from him something, one who has taken from something. Purva upakaram smarata. One who is remembering that they have received something from the Lord, and such a person should not do anything that will make Bhagavan unhappy about it. It is to say that you have received from someone, that you have well aware of that. It's not that you have forgotten. It's well, but yet you are not showing your gratitude. You become kritagna, not kritagnya. Kritagnya become kritagna. Gna means gananti, anti, destroys, ungrateful. So, therefore, what you should do, saputraha sa suhrujjanaha tvam murdna tasya pranamya. Along with your son, along with your own people who are near and dear to you, with your head bowing down to him, Rajan, O king, swasamaye tishta, stand by your own commitments. Like what? Bhartuhu bharya iva. Tadvashe, bhartruvashe. Bharya, the wife, I mean, not nowadays, but during those times. Bharya, the wife, how she is obedient, sincere, obliging to the husband, living under his loving care. I would say Varsha here doesn't mean control, loving care. Even though nowadays what happens, both of them are working, both of them doing things. So what happens is there is a competition between the husband and wife. When there is competition between two people, they cannot live together happily. I can do it. Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? It is kind of, dictating terms to each other. I'm not saying one should do I'm not saying one is better than the other, but both of them have certain roles to play, and don't interchange that. And when we do that, we are going against the nature, as well as it is not healthy. the husband also should have the sensitivity to understand that I cannot give everything, and all the strain should not be given to the wife to take, nor the wife should command the husband to do this and that when he is busy with his own. See, many times men may not be doing, but definitely they may be thinking. And they have time, they need time to think. And they plan and then think and then engage. But what are you sitting and doing nothing? You may not see them doing. But they are thinking and planning and how to do this, how to. You may not see visibly that. I'm not saying all that way, but doing alone is not efficiency. Thinking and appropriately acting is efficiency. So one may not see that. So understanding that each one has got a role to play and don't dictate the other to do what they need to do. Here, just like I said, that's why he's giving saying, Pratuhu Bharya Iva Tatvashe. Just like a Bharya, the wife, Bhartuhu Vashe, she's under the care of the husband because he is in those times the breadwinner of the house. Obviously, had so many different commitments to complete to take care of the family. So she doing and supporting what he is doing is what is to be done. So here also, he is capable. Rama is capable. But you have the army to go and search for Sita. Once Sita has been searched and found out, you will find what Rama does. So please, on your part, go and salute to Lakshmana. Hey Kapindra, na Rama Ramanuja Shasanam Tvaya Manasa api Upayohitum Shakyam Yuktam. You cannot reject. Apohitam, sorry. Apohitam na shakyam, na yuktam. Do not reject, do not fight against. Shasanam, the command of what? Rama, Ramanuja Shasanam. Both Lakshmana, Rama and Lakshmana Shasanam, do not, by you, it's not possible for you to reject it. Manusham palam manohite manusham nyasyati. You know, nyasyasi actually. Te nyasyati. Nyasyati. Oh, okay. The Lord here, nyasyasi or nyasyati. Nyasyati is written. Then for the meaning must be different. Your mind knows. Oh, te. Nyasyati. Te manaha ignasyati. Okay, not tum gnasyasi. Okay, te manaha ignasyati. Your mind knows. What? Manusham palam. As even Bhagavan has become a human, he doesn't lose his ability and strength of divine nature. So, Manusham palam te manaha ignasyati. Ragavasya asya Surendra Varchasaha, best and strong, equal to that of Indra. Surendra Varchasaha, Ragavasya Asya, Manusham Palam Te Manaha Gnasyati. Your mind knows. So remember that how he had destroyed or removed Vali from the scene with so enormous strength of Vali. But Raghava, with one shot, he could finish it off. So remember that and accordingly act. Therefore, the end of the chapter number 32, Ityashe Srimad Ramayana Valmiki Adikavya Kishkinda Kandi Dvatrim Shahasargaha. Now Lakshmana enters the area slowly. having been invited by Sugriva, Adapradi Samadishto
अथ प्रतिसमादिष्टो
Lakshmana Paraviraha
लक्ष्मणः परवीरः
Pravivesh Guham Ramyam
प्रविवेश गुहां रम्याम्
Kindam Ramashasanat
किष्किन्धां रामशासनात्
Dvarastha Harayastatra
द्वारस्था हरयस्तत्र
Mahakaya Mahabalaha
महाकाया महाबलाः
Babuvur Lakshmanam Drishtva
बभूवुर्लक्ष्मणं दृष्ट्वा
Sarve Pranjalayastitaha
सर्वे प्राञ्जलयः स्थिताः
Nishvasantam Tutam Drishtva
निःश्वसन्तं तु तं दृष्ट्वा
Kruddam Dasharatmajam
क्रुद्धं दशरथात्मजं
Babuvuh Harayastrastaha
बभूवुः हरयस्त्रस्त्राः
Nachainam Paryavarayan
न चैनं पर्यवारयन्
Tatam Ratnamayim Divyam
सतां रत्नमयीं दिव्यां
Shriman Pushpika Kananam
श्रीमान् पुष्पितकाननां
Ramyam Ratna Samakirnam
रम्यां रत्नसमाकीर्णां
Tadarsha Mahatim Guham
ददर्श महतीं गुहां
Armyaprasada Sambhadam
हर्म्यप्रासादसम्बाधां
नानारत्नोपशोभिताम्
नानारत्नोपशोभितां
सर्वकामफलैर्वृक्षैः
सर्वकामफलैर्वृक्षैः
पुष्पितैरुपशोभिताम्
पुष्पितैरुपशोभितां
देवगन्धर्वपुत्रैश्च
देवगन्धर्वपुत्रैश्च
वानरैकामरूपिभिः
वानरैः कामरूपिभिः
दिव्यमालाम्बरधरैः
दिव्यमाल्याम्बरधरैः
शोभितां प्रियदर्शनैः
शोभितां प्रियदर्शनैः
चन्दनागारुपद्मानां
चन्दनागरुपद्मानां
गन्धैः सुरभिगन्धिताम्
गन्धैः सुरभिगन्धितां
मैरेयाणां मधूनां च
मैरेयाणां मधूनां च
सम्मोहितमहापताम्
सम्मोदितमहापथां
विन्द्यमेरुगिरिप्रख्यैः
विन्ध्यमेरुगिरिप्रख्यैः
प्रासादैर्नैकभूमिभिः
प्रासादैर्नैकभूमिभिः
ददर्श गिरिनद्यश्च
ददर्श गिरिनद्यश्च
विमलास्तत्र राघवः
विमलास्तत्र राघवः
Lakshmanah, who was standing outside until this point, Pariviraha, one who is the destroyer of the enemy's power, Ata Prati Samadishtaha, Ata thereafter Samadishtaha Prati, being in turn allowed to come in, Guham Ramyam Kishkindam Ramashasanat Pravivesha. Due to the command already he received from Rama to enter the Guha, it is a Guha, no doubt. It is appearing like a cave, but in that cave, it's not a cave. It's a big, huge city. It is to say that the monkeys were living in the cave, all right. That is what their abode is. But the cave is no more looking like what we know as cave. It is a hole as though inside or in a hill or a mountain. But when you enter it, it becomes a whole city by itself. Harayaha dwarastaha tatra mahakayaha. Those monkeys were standing outside at the door, who are huge body, mahabalaha, and strong. Lakshmanam drishtva babuhu pranchalayha stitaha sarve babuhu. Babuhu, they became. Lakshmanam drishtva, having seen, what did they become? pranjalaya sthidaha, stood there quietly, giving their namaskar salutations to him, because he is now the specially invited guest of the king. Sometimes when you go there to any place where some people stop you, who are you? Then comes the command from the owner of the house, hey, don't stop. He's my special guest. Oh, thank you, sir. So here, such a special invitee. And yeah, Lakshmana, of course, he's Adishesha. His anger is still there. Potentially it will come out. So his swasa is still hot. Nishvasanam tu tam drishtva kruddam dasaradatmacham. He's still angry, and hot air coming out of him as he exhaled and inhaled. This harayaha, all the monkeys, trastaha babuhu. They become so afraid. Nacha enam paryavarayan. They did not surround him. They did not go after him. They did not go next to him. Now, sometimes when the new person comes, and then everybody will be surrounded. They did just not dare not do it. Nacha enam paryavarayan. Parivara is, parivara means those who are surrounding. Not they are around him at all. And now here is a description of the Kishkinda. This place, Ratnamayim Divyam Sriman Pushpita Kananam Ramyam Ratna Samakirnam Dadarsha Mahatim Guham. This huge, the huge cave that was there, which is seen by Lakshmana, Sriman Dadarsha. What? Pushpita Kananam. Beautiful flowery gardens, full forest, Ramyam, most delightful. Ratna Samakirnam, it is everywhere. It is, you can see jewels and precious things. Ratnamayim Divyam, filled with all sort of precious stones there. And Harmya Prasada Sambhadam, the rows of mansions, thickly built one after another, one after another, one after another. That is to say, the prosperity was so high that all buildings were built with the same amount of strength and beauty. Nana Ratna Upashobhitam, and filled with, and see, here Ratna means those times, obviously, the precious things are all not considered in terms of some monetary value. They are considered as auspicious to have it, and very rare, not exchangeable. Nowadays only we are having the barter system. I give you this and you give me that. During the earlier times, whatever was found to be precious belonged to the king and the city, and it is only for internal purpose of use, not for sale. And they decorated, and that's why you go to our temples, etc., of the ancient temples, they're so beautifully done, not for any monetary value keeping in mind. They don't build the houses for resale. Nowadays, what happens? First, before even you buy the house, what is its market value? That's what we first think. Oh, I want the kitchen this way. No, don't do that, because that is not the way people like it when they buy it. Okay? Why are you living with which you don't like? Because sometime you need to sell it. I don't know any swimming pool will be there. Why? Because resale value. So they did not build the buildings or the temples with the mind in how will be the market value for this. No. It is Bhagavan's abode, or it is a place, not only temples, but their own houses also not built for the sake of selling. They built the houses to live. And they made use of the local, whatever that was there for the beautifying, making it so, as you see it, it has to be so pleasing to the eyes. Nowadays, it's all box. Every house looks the same. There's nothing unique about it. Why? Because, somebody decided this is a design everybody likes, therefore just 100 houses same. So each one of them are built so beautifully with the local precious stones and other things. Sarvakama phalaya vrikshaihi pushpitaihi upashopita. And also the place is filled with flower-laden trees. Nowadays, if it's a new development, even leaves are not there. Sticky. Why? There is a laziness about cleaning the leaves. That is the whole thing. If you go to the East Coast, you will find that during the fall season, so many leaves. You have to do it. You have to rack all the leaves. Now here, California, sticky. Tall palm tree. Yeah, only you can see the stem. Where are the leaves? Binocular. Oh, that is what 2-3 leaves there. That is what leaves. What is the purpose of this tree? To give shade, to give flowers, to give fruits. And all these kind of trees which are so filled with leaves, etc., cut off. First thing, cut off. That's not a new development, cut off everything. Our neighbor did that. Very bad. So many beautiful trees were there, some around 20 of them. One day everything is down. Heartless people, mindlessness. So here, Deva Gandharva Putraischa Vanarehi Kamarupibihi Divyamalam Baradarehi Shobhitam Priyadarshani. It is delightful to see all the people who are there wearing beautiful garlands. Divya Malya Ambaradarehi Shobhitam Vanarehi Kamarupibihi. The monkeys which can take any form. And because such a beautiful place, even Deva Gandharva Putras are also there. Deva Gandharva Putraihi Vanarehi Kamarupibihi. And the place was smelling so good. Chandana Agaru Padmanam Gandhaihi Surabihi Gandhitam. The entire place has been filled with the fragrance of the sandalwood, aloe wood, but lotus flowers, and also wine, liquor. Maireyanam Madhunam, wine, liquor, honey, Sammodita, Mahapadam, and also people who are there filling through the highways. Either we can say the smell was filling or the people were there. The places, highways, El Camino Real, Royal El Camino, royal streets were filled with such, good fragrance and people. Vindhya Meru Giri Prakkaihi Prasadaihi Na Eka Bhumibihi. You think that now only we have the technology to build multi-story building. Here it is. Na Eka Bhumibihi. Na Eka means not one. Bhumi, floor. Na Eka means not one floor, many floors, mansions. And they are looking like Vindhya, Meru, Giri. Vindhyagiri is like Vindhya mountains or Meru mountain. It's so tall buildings. As I said, it's not just mere guha or gufa. It is a city by itself within the hills or the top of the hills, whatever it be. Girinadyasya Vimalaha Tatra Raghavaha Dadarsha. Raghavaha here, Lakshmana. He saw all the beautiful mountains and Girinadya, the mountain waters or mountain rivers are also Vimalaha, clean. There is no industry pollution. people who are not putting garbage into the water. They're sensitive people, cultured people that lived in the past. As we become more and more educated, we are only becoming uncultured. We are so narrow-minded in our thinking. My house, my yard, everything should be clean. I don't care about what happens to the public properties. Put all the garbage into the water. Public, who cares? It is not my concern. Cultured people do not live such a narrow life. They think and always do what is right for the entire community to live as a sophisticated, cultured, adjusting each other, doing things that are useful to everyone. Now we have to give a special project for community. Then only children also. We ask the parents, come on, get the children for a community project. Children won't come, parents would come. Give the hours for the children, we will do it. I do not know what to say to them. They need to learn how to live as a community and let them do the things accordingly. I have had experiences here where we engaged the children, we have tried to engage the children to community project. All the parents were there. Children were not there. Where are the children? They are at home playing video games. We will do it and give the community hours to them. I said, I will not do it. They need to be made ready to work together, keeping community in mind, the society in mind, the country in mind, and then do it. It is not the action that they do is important. They need to know the purpose. They need to understand their living is not merely should be individualistic, egoistic living alone. They have to live as a community, as a society, as a group of people working for a cause. So here you can see that the places were clean, beautiful, are not owned by a single individual. It is the community that has taken the interest to do that. Angadasya griham ramyam.
Angadasya gruham ramyam.
Maindasya dvividasya cha.
Maindasya dvividasya cha.
Gavayasya gavakshasya.
Gavayasya gavakshasya.
Gajasya sharabasya cha.
Gajasya sharabhasya cha.
Vidyunmalesya sampate.
Vinjunmalescha sampatehe.
Suryakshasya hanumataha.
Suryakshasya hanumataha.
Veerabaho subahoscha.
Veerabaho subahoscha.
Layasya cha mahatmanaha.
Nalasya cha mahatmanaha.
Kumudasya sushenasya.
Kumudasya sushenasya.
Tarajambavatostata.
Tarajambhavatostata.
Dadivaktrasya nilasya.
Dadivaktrasya nilasya.
Upatala sunetrayoho.
Supatala sunetrayoho.
Etesham kapimukyanam.
Etesham kapimukhyanam.
Rajamarge mahatmanam.
Rajamarge mahatmanam.
Tadarsha grihamukyani.
Dadarsha gruhamukhyani.
Mahasarani lakshmanaha.
Mahasarani lakshmanaha.
Pandurabhra prakashani.
Pandurabhra prakashani.
Gandhamalya yudani cha.
Gandhamalya yutani cha.
Prabodha dhanadhanyani.
Prabhuta dhanadhanyani.
Sri Ratnai shobitani cha.
Triratnai shobitani cha.
Pandurena tushailena.
Pandurena tu shailena.
Parikshiptam durasadam.
Parikshiptam durasadam.
Vanarendra griham ramyam.
Vanarendra gruham ramyam.
Mahendra sadanopamam.
Mahendra sadanopamam.
Shukle prasadi shikaraihi.
Shuklai prasada shikharaihi.
Kailasa shikaropamaihi.
Kailasa shikharopamaihi.
Sarvakama palai vrikshaihi.
सर्वकामफलैर्वृक्षैः
उपशोभितं
पुष्पितैरुपशोभितम्
महेन्द्रदत्तैः श्रीमद्भिः
महेन्द्रदत्तै श्रीमद्भिः
नीलजीभूतसन्निभैः
नीलजीमूतसन्निभैः
दिव्यपुष्पफलैर्वृक्षैः
दिव्यपुष्पः फलैर्वृक्षैः
शीतच्चायैर्मनोरभिः मनोरमैः
शीतश्चायैर्मनोरमैः
हरिभिः संवृतद्वारम्
हरिभिः संवृतद्वारम्
बलिभिः शस्त्रपाणिभिः
बलिभिः शस्त्रपाणिभिः
दिव्यमाल्यावृतं शुभ्रम्
दिव्यमाल्यावृतं शुभ्रम्
तोरणम्
सप्तकाञ्चनतोरणम्.
He started to see various kinds of mansions that are lined up in the Rajamarga. Rajamarge Mahatmanam Kabimukyanam Etesham Gurumukyani Dadarsha Mahasarani, the best of the rich Mahasara is the rich, beautiful mansions Lakshmana has seen. Angadasya Griham, Mahindrasya, Dvidasya, Gavayasya. These are all the name of the prominent monkeys, monkeys. Mahinda, Dvivida, Gavaya, Gavaksha, Gaja, Sharaba, Vidyunmali, Sampati, Suryaksha, Hanuman, Veerabahu, Subahu, Nala, Kumuda, Sushena, Tara, Jambavan, Dadivaktra, Neela, Supatala, Sunetra. They are all various kinds of monkeys who are interesting. Names are also Subahu, obviously, best shoulders. Mahabahu, Veerabahu. And the Sushena is the doctor in the team. Nala and Neela, they are the architects, as you all know. Dadivaktra, one whose mouth is filled with curd, yogurt. So Supatala, use forehead is so big. So the names are also. Vidyunmala, one who has the ornaments and which is shining like that of the lightning. Vidyunmala, Sampata, Suryaksha, eye like the sun. Hanuman, of course, all these various kinds of monkeys were all prominent battalion of Sugriva. And also Pandura Abra Prakashani Gandamalya Yutani cha Prabhuda Dhanadanyani Sriratnai Shobitani cha. The entire place is like that of Pandura Abra, white cloud. Prakashani, shining like a white cloud. Gandamalya Utanicha, with the beautiful sandal garlands also, and not sandal, with the fragrant garlands. Prabhuda Dhanadanyani, and extremely rich with so much of wealth, all of them. Sriratnaihi Shobidanicha, and also beautiful women are also found to be there in that entire place, shining very well. Pandurena cha shailena prakshiptam parikshiptam durasatam. Durasatam, very difficult to conquer. The entire place is so well secured, and it's like a white mountain, like a Kailasa. It is Vanarendra Griham Ramyam. It's also Shuklai Prasada Sikarehi Kailasa Shikara Upamaihi. Next verse. So that is our Vanarendra Griham. That is Sugriva was about Ramyam, beautiful. Mahendra Sadanopamam, equal to that of these Indra's abode. Sarvakama Palaihi Vrukshai Pushpitai Upashopitam. Filled with trees that can fulfill anybody's desire. Sarvakama Palaihi Vrukshai Pushpitai Pashobitam. Mahendra Vrittai, Mahendra Dattai, it was given by Indra himself. Srimad Bihi, Mahendra Dattai, that rich one, Neela Ji Bhuta Sannivaihi. That is looking like a dark cloud laden with water. How? In that way, there Divya Pushpa Palaihi Vrikshaihi. There are very many trees were so thickly, the leaves were so thick, it looked like that of a dark cloud. And because of the very thickness of those leaves, they were giving very cool shade there. Shita Chayehi, Manoramaihi, most delightful, especially in a summer time when you are walking or something. At that time, if you are under a tree which has a very thick leaves, which is completely covering entire place, you feel like resting there, enjoying the shade as well as the pure oxygen that is produced by the tree. And Samvrudha Dwaram Haribihi. It is the entrance to it is very well covered by the monkeys who are strong. Balibihi Shastrapanibihi. That mansion was very well guarded by the monkeys were strong and having the weapons in their hand. Dilvyamala Avridam Shubram Tapta Kanchana Toranam. And that is very well decorated with the divine flowers and pure Shubram or white Tapta Kanchana Shobhavam. It is like Toranam. It is also a garland which is decorating was golden color, golden hue. And this way he was about to enter into the abode of Surendra and Sugriva. And what is the time right now? I didn't see. I think it's time. Okay, we'll take a few more words here. Sugrivasya griham ramyam.
Sugrivasya gruham ramyam.
Pravivesha mahabalaha.
Pravivesha mahabalaha.
Avaryamana Saumitrihi.
Avaryamana Saumitrihi.
Mahabramiva Bhaskaraha.
Mahabramiva Bhaskaraha.
Sasaptakaksha Dharmatma.
Sasaptakaksha Dharmatma.
Yanasana Samavritaha.
Yanasana Samavritaha.
Tadarsha Sumahad Guptam.
Dadarsha Samahad Guptam.
Dadarshantapuram Mahat.
Dadarshantappuram Mahat.
Aimarajata Paryankaihi.
Haimarajata Paryangaihi.
Bahubhischa Varasanaihi.
Bahubhischa Varasanaihi.
Maharhastarnopetaihi.
Maharhastarnopetaihi.
Tatra Samavritam.
Tatra Samavritam.
Pravishanneva Satatam.
Pravishanneva tatatam.
Shushrava Maduraswanam.
Shushrava Madhurasvanam.
Tantri Gita Samakirnam.
Tantri Gita Samakirnam.
Samatala Padaksharam.
Samatala Padaksharam.
Ramyam Sugrivasya Griham Pravivesha Mahabalaha Saumitrihi. Lakshmana entered the abode of Sugriva, the beautiful, and his entry cannot be stopped. It is like Maha Abramiva Avaryamanaha Bhaskara. It is like the sunlight cannot be stopped by the clouds. Can you ever stop the clouds? I mean, it's the sunlight getting through, because it is such is the power of Lakshmana, so shining. And he crossed 7 layers of the building, Sapta Kaksha Dharmatma, and 7 various chambers, so to say. He saw that there. And what is that? Filled with Yana Asana Samavrita. They are all, yana means vehicles, asana, all the couches, etc., samavritaha. Dadarsha, sumahat guptam. And the place where the women of the palace would stay is highly secured. Sumahat guptam. Guptam here is not hide. Sumahat guptam means it's very well secured. It is not available for anybody else to get in there. Dadarsha antapuram mahat. He saw that the antapuram, that is the antapuram, that is inner chamber, innermost chamber. So haima rajata paryankaihi. Paryanka is bed. Haima rajata paryankaihi bahubischa. The gold or silver spreads, silver beds, as though it is decorated with probably gold and silver. Varasanaihi, beautiful cots. Maharhas taranopedaihi. Tarana is a spread here. Maharha, most well done, beautifully deserving, and maybe best. Mahas taranaihi upedaischya tatra samavritam. All the beds were beautifully covered, which are originally made with gold and silver. Pravishanneva satatam sushrava. As he entered, he continuously heard Madhuraswanam, beautiful music. Tantra Geeta, Tantri Geeta Samakirnam, singing along with the veena. And Samatala Pada Akshara. And the singing is not only with the help of the veena, but also singing with proper tala. This is what is the most horrible thing people do. Singing is good. Tala is somewhere else. And such people, when they sing with the talam is going in one direction, singing going in another direction, we will end up and go another direction. No coordination at all. And but they were doing samatala, pada aksharam, and pronouncing correctly, having the correct note, doing the correct beat, and singing with the veena. That is what is called symphony. If you don't do that, it's called cacophony. So he was able to listen continuously, such beautiful music as he walked in. And then he would encounter with Sugriva. So we'll see that tomorrow. Aganita Guna Gana Bhushana Rama Ashita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhyavasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatha Nandana Sri Rama Dashamukha Mardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama Kamita Palada Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Jivana Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Patita Pavana Sita Rama Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Siyavara Ramachandra ki jai Pavana Sutta Hanuman ki jai Umapati Mahadev ki jai Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki jai.